Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and choosing Alarm section at the bottom left corner. When you're ready, select this plus icon and finally set up an hour. Then click on repeat and pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones, like Mondays and Wednesdays. Then tap on OK in the pop-up. Now, after going to sound section, select apply and begin by clicking on vibration at the top. Now you can apply the best vibration pattern for your incoming alarms by tapping on one of those, like tap tap tap, or disable it completely by choosing none. Now select music on device and click on the song that you wish to apply from your smartphone. If you don't want to do that, you can always just tap on one of those recommended ringtones or classic ones. Now select label. Label your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and click on OK. Tap on ring duration. Select how many minutes your ring will ring. Tap on snooze duration and swipe left or right on those sliders to decide how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat. When you finished, just click on OK and select this check mark at the top right corner of your alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can edit it by tapping on it, making your changes, and tapping on this check mark at the top right corner to save them. If you wish to turn off your alarm, tap on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it though, just click on it and tap on delete option at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!